This is Cool Trades of Montreal. Here I am at the park near the Port of Montreal. And I just got lucky. Just came down here on a whim around 3 o'clock p.m. And here I got, I think it's the same one. 1004. It's 1004 in 2007. Hooked up here, the Slug, and I forget the name of this locomotive. The Rail Power 20BD, I believe they're called. And it's hooked up to a bunch of intermodals. As you can see here, I got intermodals here blocking the view of the Jacques Cartier Bridge, where I believe this train will be moving out pretty soon, which will make it an interesting thing. Here I got a better view. That's down to the port towards the east. And I think I hear a train, but can't be sure. Anyways, I figured I would get these at least. They're more than likely going to haul the intermodal into the Port of Montreal. I don't know when that's going to be, but I figured I'd take a little video here of it and hope for a little bit more train action here at the Port of Montreal. Haven't really come here much. It's a gray day. Here it's April 3rd, 2023. So let's see if this moves. Is that the container ship there? No, the container ship's moving. Ah, it's moving now. Awesome. It's gonna go. Why'd I get lucky with this? Yeah, I'm not sure if these are battery power. I'd have to check. But they're very unusual locomotives. With Blumberg trucks, they're built on frames of old EMDs. I believe it's built onto a frame of an SW1500, I would say. Now that is really incredibly lucky. I think this is called Parc Chapitre, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so there's a fence here. This is public. You can come here, watch the trains. Sometimes you will have a container ship there. There's Longueuil and the Six Flags. That's La Ronde, Six Flags. Yeah, there's some intermodal cars here on the closest track parked. And he's slowing down. Oh, and he's stopping, I think. Oh, but I can hear him charging brakes up. Oh, I think he broke it. Yep, he broke it over there. So he might be backing up. He's setting a switch. No, I think he's going to back that cut up into another track. He's riding the train, so that's going to come right back. That's incredibly cool. Port of Montreal is setting these out for CN to take. Or, yeah, I think it's CN. CN is at the far end of the yard. So I may get a chance to see the locomotives again. Oh. He's gonna sort some cars out here, probably gonna break it again over there. There, he's breaking it. And he's going to set another switch. Yeah, I've never been this lucky getting the switching action here at the yard. Of course, I've never been here at 3 p.m. either. Alright, so I'm going to break it here and see what happens. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.